Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video, or I should say this is going to be the last art video of 2020. Soon we'll be stepping into the new year 2021, so I wanted this last video to be very helpful, simple and easy for you all. We are gonna paint a beautiful greeting card that anyone can paint by himself or herself, and we are gonna use watercolors. Let's see how we can paint it. Before we begin with today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video you get the notification. Today we are gonna make a beautiful greeting card as the new year is around the corner, and finally this roller coaster year is coming to an end and we can't wait to enter the new year with a bang. Now that we are entering 2021, it's best that we celebrate the year with a lot of joy and happiness. And with social distancing norms and curfews in place, the New Year celebrations will not be the same as it used to be, but we can still celebrate this New Year and welcome 2021 with open arms, and we can paint our own greeting cards and wish our loved ones a very happy and healthy year ahead. So here for the background I'm using phthalo blue, and I'll be painting Christmas bulbs with crimson from Winsor & Newton. And I'm creating a wooden plank at the background, and this is the knot end that we see in the wooden plank. You can see I am creating some random lines, and these depict the wooden grains. If you observe the wood carefully, you would see these grains in the wood, and so I'm trying to create that effect in the background. This is a very easy greeting card. As you can see here, the background is beautiful and easy. You have to create this wooden pattern and your background would look beautiful. Here you can see I'm creating shadows of the Christmas bulbs, and I've also drawn some gloves and I've created a shadow. We'll be coloring it soon. But first we'll be finishing with the background. For the new year, I don't have any major plans, but I wish to work more harder, and hopefully the next year would bring more opportunities, and we would love to grow our community more. I wish to bring more quality, more of my services to you all, and I would love to know what are your opinions and your views about my paintings. Please mention in the comments below. And if you would like to see more of the exclusive painting collection, you can visit my Facebook and Instagram. I have mentioned the links in the description, and I post a daily painting there. We are almost done with our background. And now you can see I'm giving a second layer to the Christmas bulb. And this is just a pattern that I created from my mind, and you can create any pattern that you like. Now we are creating a second Christmas bulb. It is named as Christmas bulb, but we can use this in any decoration. These are beautiful ornaments. So now I'm starting with the glove, and I'm using a gray color at the top, and for the fingers and the palm I'm using crimson. And you can create your own pattern even in this glove. I'm just leaving the white gaps in between just to depict that it's a beautiful knitted glove. And if you would like to see more of the greetings that I've painted before, I am pasting a link in the corner. You can also watch those. Now we are creating some highlights. We are creating shadows and highlights just to get that realistic look in my painting. As you can see, the bigger Christmas bulb is taking more time because we are painting that in layers. After the previous layer dries, only then we can switch to the next layer. And now we are going to create a beautiful lettering. If you have a calligraphy pen, then it's good, but I am painting it with my fine brush. And I'm just writing greetings. And we are almost done with our painting. And at the end, I'll be showing you the presentation, how I take the photograph. If you liked my painting, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next year, the next Wednesday, next week, with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting, and a very happy new year to all the art lovers. May all your wishes come true in the new year and all your resolutions are achieved